Okay, students, we'll start. All of you are online, right? Can you all see the screen? Is it being shared? Yeah, the last concept here, the concept is, I taught you all product and quotient law, right? A to the power of 5 plus A to the power of 6. What's the answer? Sorry, not plus, multiply. What's the answer, students? For multiplication, what do you do? A to the power of 5 minus 6. Is it minus 1 or plus 1? Minus 1. What is a to the power of minus 1? The power is negative. It should be written as 1 by. And the answer for this is minus 2, 1 by a square, right? 1 by a square. So where is a, students? It's on the same side, right? Both a's are on the same side, left hand side. And there is multiplication. Yeah, Delicia, why are you late, Delicia? Can you see the screen? Okay. The new concept is when the powers are in the base are in the opposite side, left hand side is equals to right hand side. A to the power of 3, a to the power of x, students, is equal to side. Remember, are the base same? Left and right are the base same? And in between, what sign do we have? So this a and a will get cancelled. A and a will get cancelled. The power will remain as it is. 3 is equals to x. What's the value of x? X is equals to 3. This is the concept, students. If they're in the same side, a to the power of 3 multiplied by a to the power of x. What's the answer? When multiplication used, what do you write? 3 plus x. But here it's on the opposite side. One is on the left hand side and the other one is on right hand side. Whenever the base is same, you can just cancel it out and make the powers equal. Okay, for example, 4 is equals to x. 4 is equals to, yes, why am I hearing noise? Delicia, mute the call, Delicia. X square is equals to 4, students. X square is equals to 2 to the power of x is equals to 4. I need to find the value of x. How do I find the value of x? Do you think the base is same, 2 and 4? Are the base same or different? Different. Keep 2x as it. How do you make this 4x? Factorize 4x. 2 into 2. What should I write? 2 square. Base are same now. If the base is same, what should I do, students? Base will be x. Compare the powers. Compare the powers. Base is same. Compare the power. The value of x is equals to 2. Is this clear? All of you understood? The last concept. Now look at this one. Yesterday we had this 3 to the power of 3m was left. Fine. Our 3m numerator and denominator related, students. Division or multiplication? Left hand side. Is it division or multiplication? This part. I'm talking about this. Division, is the base same? Base is same. And there is division. How can I write it? 3 to the power of n plus or minus? No, no, no. For division. For division. Minus 3m. Okay, I'll write it as it is. 3 to the power of 3n minus 3m. What is common to 3m and 3n? 3 is common. Can I take it out? See, 1 by 27. 1 by 27. In the beginning, what was 1 by 27, students? Can I write it as 1 by? What is 1 by 27? 1 by 3 cube. Okay. Here, what is common? 3 is common, right? If I take 3 outside, what do I get? N minus. I can write it as n minus m. If not, do one thing. Just ignore that. I'll keep as it is. Okay. Now right hand side, where is 3 in the right hand side, numerator or denominator? What's the answer for x minus 1? What's the answer for x minus 1? 1 by x. You should know even the reverse one. If the x is in the denominator, how do you put it in the numerator? If you send it to numerator, it becomes x minus. Yes. Now, what's the answer for 3 minus 3? How do you make it positive? Power of 3. Okay. If I want, where is this 1 by 3 to the power of 3, student? Numerator or denominator? If I want to send it to the numerator, what happens to the power? Not multiply. The power becomes negative. The power becomes negative. See, that is what I'm using here. I'll keep 3 to the power of 3n minus 3m. I'll shift this. I want 3 to the power of root 3 to be negative. Can I write minus 3? Is it same? Are they same? Can you respond? Are they same? If they're same, right? If not, in the question, what was given, students? In the question, what was given? Was it 1 by 27 or minus 3? 22nd question. 3 to the power of minus 3 was given. So instead of converting, can you see 3 to the power of minus 3? I converted everything. Instead of that, shall we keep it as it is? 3 to the power of minus 3? Yeah, just keep 3 to the power of minus 3 as it is. The concept here is we are making the base same. In the question, it was already given 3 to the power of minus 3, minus 3, 3 to the power of minus 3. Okay, so even here it is 3 to the power of minus 3. Okay, now is the base same for both 3 and 3? Are on the same side or opposite side? Are they on the same or opposite? Yes, tell me, students, same side or opposite side? Opposite side. So opposite side, what did I tell you all? The base can get cancelled. So what is the powers? What is left? 3n minus 3m is equals to, no, along with the sign, minus. What is common here? 3n minus 3m. 3 is common. N minus is equals to 3. If you want to find n minus m, what happens to this 3? It gets. So what's the answer? N minus m is equals to minus 1. What did they tell to find? N minus m or m minus n? M minus n. In this question, I want to find m minus n. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll shift this m to the other side. N minus m is given, students. N minus m is minus 1. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll put this minus 1 minus this side. We divide it. So what do you get? N minus m divided by minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, if you're getting confused, let me erase. They shift this, students. They shift it. See, minus 5 is equals to minus a is equals to 5. What happens to this minus sign before a? This minus sign, you can just shift it to the other side, right? Just shift it to the other side. A is equals to what? Minus 5. In the same way, before 1 there is minus. Shift it to the other side. It becomes minus n into m is equals to 1. Open the bracket, you will get minus m plus m is equals to 1. When you rearrange this, m is positive. M minus n is equals to 1. This is what you get. M minus n is equals to 1. I'll teach this. This part I'll teach. All this I'll teach again. Yesterday till here you all completed. Right? And today's topic, did you all understand? This power conversion. Till here, did you all understand, students? All this, respond, please respond, yes or no. Okay, which one, Bhargavi? From which part? See, tell me, where did you all Two students. Yesterday till where did we complete? Nobody made a note of this. Okay, fine. We'll do it. We'll do it from the beginning. I'll teach. If you're getting confused, see if you're silent, it won't work, students. If you're not understanding, let me know. See, Bhargavi is telling. So I want you all to respond. You'll tell. I'll teach again. Okay, nothing wrong in that. Which question was that? 22nd question. 9 to the power of n into 3 square into 3 to the power of n. 27n divided by 3 to the power of 3m into 2 to the power of q is equals to 3 to the power of minus 3. This is the question. What they've asked us to prove? Unmute and answer, students. What they've asked us to prove? You have to show that m minus n is equal to 1. M minus n is equals to 1. Let me keep it aside. Now this is the equation given. Is Tony online? Tony, Angel, Kia, you all concentrating? Oh. What is the laws we have studied, students? What are the different types of powers we have? I'll explain. Once again, we'll just revise and I'll explain. What are the types of powers we have? Positive power. Next we have negative. Then, no, not zero. Fraction. What about fraction? We have fraction, right? Then, okay, we also have zero. Next, there is one more thing left. From past 2-3 days, we are doing that. The powers will have constant or variable. Yes, variable. These are the 4-5 types. First, understand this. What's the answer for 3 square? 3 square is 9. 3 to the 9 to the power of n. I'll write it as 9 to the power of n. N plus 2. Okay, it's a very important concept. You should know all these things. So 3 square is 9. What's the answer for this? 3 to the power of minus 2. 1 by 3 square is 1 by 9. Okay. If fraction is given, what do we do, students? What do we need to eliminate? Denominator. So how can I convert 9? 2 and 2 gets cancelled. The answer is 3. What is 3 to the power of 0? 9 is given. Factorize 9. Why do we factorize 9? Whenever the power is variable, what do we do? Yes, when the power is variable, we need to factor. What is 3 into and open bracket 2 and plus 4. Is this clear? Maximum, these are the types of powers we have. Okay, along with this, you should also know product law, quotient law. This is the power. And variable, there is one more thing. I'll write like this: 16. No, a to the power of 3 multiplied by a to the power of 5. Which law do we use here? Base is same, right? Which law do we use when multiplication is given? Product or quotient? Product law. So what's the answer? A to the power of 8, right? A to the power of 8. A to the power of 3 multiplied by a to the power of x. Now tell me the answer. 3 plus x, right? What if I give a 3 plus x? Tell me, how do you split this, students? How do you split it? 4 into it, right? Like this, I'll give you few questions. Now just solve that. Because if you're weak in this, you won't be able to solve other questions. A to the power of 3 minus 5x. Try this question. B to the power of 6 plus y. Yeah, respond all of you all. What do you get? A to the power of 3. For division, what should I put? For minus divided a to the power of 5x. This we can also, can we write it as a to the power of 3 divided by a to the power of 5x? Both are same, right? So if such question is given, how do you solve this question, students? If this is given, the base is same. When division is given, what do you write? 3 plus 5x or 3 minus? Can you see here? We got the question, right? We got this value. Okay. This chapter you all had last year. The basics you all had last year. So I think they are given for first and second unit. If you all are thorough with this, all this would have been easy. Now tell me this concept. How should I write this, students? B to the power of 6, b to the power of y. Okay, this is one concept. B to the power of 6 into b to the power of y. Next, b to the power of minus 3 into b to the power of x. What's the answer? Are they on the same side? Both, both the base are on the same side, right? Yeah, response, students. Both the base are on same side. Multiplication sign is given. So what's the answer? B to the power of, not minus x, multiplication plus x is given. Now the same concept, the next concept is b to the power of minus 3. It's not on the same side. They are on the opposite, left hand side, right hand side. This is the new concept. Is the base same? Now what's the answer, students? If the base is same, just ignore. Minus 3 is equals to what? X. So what's the answer? Minus 3 is equals to x. Or you can read x is equals to minus 3. This is the new formula. So what should be equal here? What should be equal? The base should be same. This is first one. First. The second concept is x to the power of 2 is equals to 2 to the power of 2. Even if the powers are same, you can use the same concept. Are the powers same or different for both? Same. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. What's the value of x? Just make a note of these two concepts. In the first one, base is same. If base are same, is equal to sign is given, you can just cancel it out. Minus 3 is equals to x. In the second, this concept, powers are same. Powers are same. If the powers are same on the opposite side, just cancel it out. X is equals to 2. Make a note of this. Students done? Base and power law. There's one more concept. All of you understood? If it's in the opposite side, how to solve? Oh, along with this, there's one more concept. I'll explain that where we have to use it in the next question. See, x to the power of 2 is equals to, let me say, 2. 2 is given. Now, what's the power for x, students? What's the power for x? 2. Remember this, if this 2 goes to the other side, for example, in simple linear equation, a plus 5 is equals to 10. What happens to plus 5 if it goes to the other side? Yes, respond, minus 5. All of you are aware of this, right? In simple linear equation, plus becomes what? Minus. Minus becomes. What about multiplication if it goes to the other side? Division, and division becomes multiplication. In powers, the concept is when 2 goes to the other side, it becomes 1 by 2. Remember this. If 1 by 2 goes to the other side, it becomes fraction will become whole number 2. Make a note of this. In simple linear equation, this is another concept. When the power 2 goes to the other side, it becomes 1 by 2. It becomes a fraction. Is this clear, students? Now tell me the answer for this. What about x to the power of 5 is equals to 2 or 25? I'll write 25. If 5 goes to the other side, just a minute, I'll write x to the power of 3 is equals to 125. Tell me the answer. If 3 goes to the other side, what does it become? 125 to the power of? Okay, 1 by 3 is what? What kind of power? Whole number or fraction? So factorize 125, what do you get? 5 cube into. So what's the value of x? X is equals to 5. You should know this concept. X is equals to 5. Yeah. Now tell me the answer for this. X square is 16. I need to find the value of x, students. What is x? What happens to 2 if it goes to the other side? Then factorize 16. So that 2 should get divided. 4 square into 1 by 2. What's the value of x? 4. Is this clear? Understood these three concepts, new concepts? Base, power, all these things. Now we'll start solving. Same question. We'll solve the same question again. Now you all have to tell me. Nobody should be silent. You all have to tell. Look at 9, students. What power 9 has? What's the power for 9? Constant or a variable? If variable is given, how can I write 9 as? 3 square. Can I write 3 square? If I multiply, doesn't it become 3 to the power of 2n? Anya, can you respond? Anya, Delicia, are you there online? Multiplied by. If the power is constant, what is 3 square, students? Tell me 3 square. 9. So 3 to the power of n as it is. Next. Minus. What about 27? How can I write? Not 2. 3 to the power of 3 into n. When you open the bracket, what do you get? 3n. Keep it as it is. Next. 3 to the power of 3m is given. Write it as it is. 2 to the power of 3. What is 2 to the power of 3? 8. Is this clear? We used all the concept here and we did. Right? Now just separate all the variable, students. What are the base which has variable powers? 3 to the power of 2n, right? 3 to the power of n together into 9 minus 3 to the power of 3n divided by 3 to the power of 3m into 8 is equals to 3 to the power of minus 3. Now can you apply product law? Are the powers same or different? Look at the power, students. Apply product law for these two. What do you get? What is 2n plus n? I'll write it directly. 3n into 9 minus 3 to the power of 3n divided by what? Into 8. Is it clear? Till here all of you understood? Yeah, tell me what is common in the numerator? 3 to the power of 3n. What's the remainder? 9 minus 1. In denominator, 3 to the power of 3m into is equals to 3. What is 9 minus 1? 8. And denominator, what do we have? 8. Which one gets cancelled? 8. Okay, now division is given. Apply the division rule. Both the base are same. How do I write? 3 to the power of 3 and minus is equals to 3 to the power of minus 3n. Clear? Is it clear now? Bhargavi, did you understand? What about others? All of you understood? Okay. And is equal to sign is given and base is given opposite. So what happens to the base students? What is the equation left? 3n minus completed till here. Yes, completed till here. See, if you are answering, you'll definitely understand. Only if you are silent, you won't know. What I'm teaching. Complete till here. Last part I'll teach you. Okay, try to solve this equation. Yeah, use product, not product law, which is that factorization method, not factorization. Common value. Take the common value. 3 outside students. Which question was this? 22nd. Okay, so what they've done is whatever concept, all the concept we studied, all the concept they've combined in 22nd question. Most important. Not important, most toughest question. 22nd. They've mixed all the concept together. And you have to prove that you have to show m minus n is equals to 1. A students done, completed. What is common? 3 to the power 3 into minus 3. N minus m is equals to what? Yeah, tell me n minus m. N minus m is equals to. But that is not what they've asked. What have they asked here? M should be. How do you make it positive? M is minus. Can I shift it to the other side? It becomes 1. What does it become? 1 plus m, right? 1 plus. No, no, 1 minute. 1 plus m. Okay, it was minus n here. Minus n. So we're getting the answer. It was minus 1. N is equals to minus 1 plus m. What about plus 1? I mean, 1 is positive or negative? According to the question they have asked, 1 is positive or negative. So what should we do? Minus 1 is given. Where should I put minus? Left hand side. So it becomes 1 is equals to what happens to n? N if it goes to the other side. Are we getting the equation? Are we getting the equation? Yes. M minus n is equals to 1. Just rewrite this. Just rewrite it. M minus n is equals to 1. This is the answer. LO1 is what we got. Okay, LO1 is what we got. But they wanted in this blue one, the one which I've circled. So you have to just shuffle everything, arrange everything left hand side, right hand side, you'll get the answer. Yeah, mostly tomorrow we'll complete, students. We'll complete this. Monday I'll start new chapter. Shall we try the next question? All of you all completed? Okay. Okay. Shall we try the next one? All of you all completed? Can you all respond? Kia completed? Tony, Kia, Ananya, Angel. Next one. 22nd is done. Say Monday want you to ask your teachers to 18, 19. I think definitely it is cancelled. Just ask once. Okay, 23rd question. See, 23rd is 23rd and 24th. 1168. That asked in the final exam, I guess, 23rd and 24th. Any one they will ask you all. 21168 is equal to x to the power of 4 y3 into z2. Okay, what do we need to find here? Can you all tell me the value, students? Find the value of what? 23rd question. X, Y, Z. Where are X, Y, Z? Are they on power or base? Base. I'll tell you this concept. Look here. 4 is equals to x to the power of 2. Just imagine this question. It is like this. We need to find the value of x. We need to find the value of x. Where is x, students? Is it in the power or base? Base. So what rule did I tell? If I write If the powers are equal, can we cancel like this? Look here, if the powers are equal, what can be done if the powers are equal? So what will be the value of x? 2. That is what you need to do here. What is 4? What can I write 4 as? 2 square is equals to what? X square. Can you see powers are same? Let's cancel. What's the value of x? 2. Now tell me the answer for this. Yes, 4 square is what? If not, instead of 4, yeah, 4 square is what? Y square. What's the value of y? One more question. Tell me the answer. Z cube is equals to which one gets cancelled? Powers are same, right? So what's the value of z? This is what you have to do in this type of question. Fine. We have to just convert, students. So right hand side you keep as it is. Left hand side, what is the number given? Left hand side 21168, right? For example, if I write 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 2 is equal to x to the power of 4, y to the power of 3, z to the power of 3. You will get the answer like this. You have to just compare this with this. What are the two values we have? 2 to the power of 4 is equals to what? X to the power of 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. What is x value? Next, which one you have to compare? 3 to the power of 3 is equals to y to the power of 2. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. What is y? And next, what you have to compare? Just compare which one has same power, students. 5 square is equal to z square. What is the value of z? What's the value of z? 5. This is how we need to solve. This left hand side, I've just gave some example value. These are not the exact value. Left hand side, I'll tell you how to get the exact value. Okay, left hand side are not exact. I just gave an example. If you want to get the exact value, take 21168. Let's factorize this. Start from 2 times table. What you will get, students? 2 ones are 2. Next, unmute and answer. 2 fives are 10. Then 8 and next 2 sevens are 2 twos are. Last, look at the last value. Again 2 is present. Go with 2 times table. 2 threes are, yes, again 6 is present. Go with 2 times table. 2 threes are, 8s are. Next, wait, let me see. No, if the question is right. 21168, x to the power of 4, y to the power of 3, z to the power of 2. Okay. Next, 2 into x4, y3, z2. 21168. Wait, let me check. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 2 eights are 16, 2 4. 2 sevens are 14, 2 nines are 18, 2. 2 threes are 6, 2 nines are 18, carry 1, 2 six are 12. Okay. 2 ones are 2, carry 1. 2 nines are 18, 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18, 99. Are we getting 99? Next, if 99 is there, how do you factorize, student? 33 and not 3, not 3 1. 3 11s are next. 11 ones are 11. Oh, you should get the exact value. So how many times 2 is present, students? How many times 2 is multiplied? 5 into how many times 3? 2 into how many times 11? 1. But why are we getting different values? 21168. Just a minute. Did ma'am solve this? Any of the class? Can you respond, student? Okay, can you just check how it work? Oh, this is how you're supposed to wait. Let me check the question. Can you just check the question in your textbook? Is it correct? Third question, student. Check this in your textbook. Is the question right? 21168. That's correct. Okay. But why are we not getting different? See, actually, you're supposed to get factorize. That's what factorization have gone wrong. Let us do it again because you should get the same value. Yeah, you should get the same value, students. If x to the power of 4 is given, for example, x to the power of 4, left hand side you should get 2 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 3, like this. So let us try this. What do you get? 2 ones are 2. Oh yeah, 10584. See, if you divide according to division rule, how many numbers we divide, students? How many numbers you have to take at a time? According to division, only one. So 2 ones are what you get? 2. Then I have to bring only one number. Is 2 divisible by 1? Then what do you do? What's the rule, students? If you want to bring down the other number, what you have to add? 0. Now what's the answer? 2 5s are 10. Bring down 16. What do you get? 2 8s are 16. Bring down this 8. How many times it goes? 2 4s are? So here I have gone wrong. What I should write? How many times 2 goes? 1 0. Yes, 1 0 5 8 4. Yeah, now let's try. How many times 2 goes? See, starting you can take two numbers. Starting you can take two numbers. After that, you should take single number. Take 2. 2 5s are 10. Next. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. 2. Next. Hmm. 6 are next. No, no. 2 4s are 8. Next. 6. Yeah. 2 1 3 3. That's it, right? Next. 3 is given in the last. If 3 is given, use 3 times table. What do you get? 3 4s are 12. 1s are. Again, use 3, students. Use 3. Should be correct. Yeah. 3 1s are 3. Next. 3 4s are 12. 3 sevens are. Right? Next. See, how many times you have to get 2 here? Just compare how many times you have to get 2. 4 times. Then next we have 3. How many times you will get 3, students? What's the possibility? 3 square. Then 47. Factorize for 147. Which timetable? 3 ones are 3. Wait. 3 fours are 12. 3 7. Next. 3 fours are 12. Even here I've gone wrong with it. 3 to the power of 4. Yes. We'll start from here. Yeah. What do you get? 3 fours are 12. 441. Next. 3 ones are 3. What do you get, students? 3 ones are 3. 147. Next. 3 fours are 12. 3 nines are. How do you factorize 49? What do you get? 7 sevens are 49. Then 7 ones are 7. Yeah, who else is answering? Okay, now tell me how many times 2 is multiplied, students. How do you write these values? 2 to the power of 4, next 3 to the power of 2, and what else? Yes, response 7 to the power of 2 is equals to x4, y3, z2. Now compare this. This is what I told you all in the beginning. Compare the values. 2 to the power of 4 is equals to x to the power of 4. Which one gets cancelled? What's the answer? 2. Compare this. Tell me the value of y. 3 cube is equals to 3. Y is equals to 3. Next, z is equals to 7. So I've gone wrong in this factorization part. Okay, factorization. Is this clear, all of you all? Did you all understand? Can you all unmute and answer? Okay, the last one. Once you all complete this, try the next one for homework, students. It is the similar question. Can you see this? 1960. But this time, which one you have to cancel it out? Base or power? Which one will get cancelled? See, right hand side, where are the alphabets? Where are the alphabets? Is it in the base or power? No, no, right hand side. 24th question, power. If I write 5 square is equals to, if I write 4 is equals to 2a, students. Stop writing. Look at the concept. 4 is equals to 2a. You need to find the value of a. This is the question. We need to find the value of a. Where is a? Is it in the base or power? Power. So left hand side, what should I write? Left hand side, 4 to the 2 square. Now which one gets cancelled? Base or power gets cancelled? Okay, base. What's the value of a? Okay, so you have to focus on that. They ask power. If the variable is in power, cancel the base. If the variable is in base, cancel the powers. Fine. Complete this and try the 24th for homework. Start doing it. Yes. Last question here. 24th is homework. From Monday, I'll extend, students. Just because I love sports, practice, and all these things, I don't want to take for much longer. Okay, from Monday, I'll conduct up to 8:45 or 8:50. Fine, 15-20 minutes extra. Last question. Try this, complete it, and 24th for homework. Attend tomorrow. We'll finish rest of the questions. Okay. Will you try the next question for homework? Same concept. Take the left hand side part, factorize. This time the variables are powers. So remember, base will get cancelled. Find the value of a, b, and c. Okay. Next 25. I think tomorrow we can complete it, students. 25 to other questions are fine. Yeah, we'll try to complete tomorrow.